Hey guys, it's Katie here, and in this video what I will share with you is a brand new way of making money with Kartra. If you are a Kartra member, you know that there's a lot of ways that you can make money with Kartra, and this could actually be some great news for you as well, because this has just been released and this might be a new thing for you. If you're not a Kartra member, don't worry about it. I will also share with you what Kartra is in a few words and about this brand new way of making money with Kartra. So Kartra is a platform that anyone can run their entire online business on or with. So for example, I've been using Kartra for a few years already. I do everything with it. The only thing that I have connected or integrated is the merchants like PayPal and Stripe. But the rest of the things I use Kartra for, like email marketing, list building, page creation, funnel creation, campaign creation, hosting videos. You can do blogs with Kartra or on Kartra itself. You can have membership sites on it and sell memberships to your clients, your customers, your students. You can do calendars if you are in a consulting or counseling business. You can do calendars, set your own calendars up and have people go sign up to get your counseling or consultation done. You can do help desks, obviously, if you are doing like membership sites and have clients and customers, students. You will need a help desk where they can go to get any questions answered. You can do so many different things with Kartra, and this brand new way of making money online is just an incredible addition to Kartra that has just been added, and I will go ahead and explain to you or share with you a little bit what it is. So basically what Kartra creators and people who are working on Kartra, that's actually one of the things that I love about Kartra. They keep releasing new things over and over again all the time. They keep releasing and adding new things to Kartra. So we have opportunity to use all these tools that they keep adding on to Kartra and use all of these new opportunities that they keep adding and sharing with us and letting us use. So the brand new thing that they have just added to Kartra is the agency. You can now run your entire agency through Kartra, using the Kartra platform to do anything basically. You will learn more exactly in this video that I'm going to play for you guys here. But this is an incredible opportunity for all of us. Either you're a Kartra user or member or you're not. It's an incredible opportunity for anybody who have always wanted to make money online or who have always wanted to run their own marketing agency, social media agency, any kind of agency online. This will absolutely blow your mind. So let's go ahead and watch this quick video and you'll know exactly what this new add-on is all about.
What if I told you that you could make a significant, even full-time income simply by leveraging the marketing skills you already have without a list, a product, or even a sales page? And no, I'm not talking about affiliate marketing. Chances are you won't need to learn anything new to do this, because I'll bet if you're watching this video, you already have what you need to succeed. That's because there are currently 28 million small businesses out there who have no idea what a lead capture page is, or what an email responder is, or what a sales campaign is, or even what they'd do if they had them. And get this, according to a study by B2B research firm Clutch.co, less than 2/3 of small businesses even have a website. They're the ones right outside your front door, struggling to survive. I'm talking barbershops, yoga studios, restaurants, dry cleaners, auto mechanics, massage therapists. You get the idea. It's not that they don't want an online presence, it's that they don't know how to do it exactly. And quite frankly, they don't have the time to figure it out. But they do know that in the next year, they're going to spend more on marketing online than they did last year. And they're going to spend it on paying someone like you to take their offline business to the web, because they know that's where their customers are looking for them. And if I had to guess, I'd guess that you can help them, right? With roughly 543,000 new businesses being started each month, you're literally never going to run out of business owners who need your help. But let's be real, this isn't some big secret only available to a select few. Offline marketing was a buzzword not too long ago, but it used to be really hard to offer these businesses services, right? You needed coders, designers, copywriters, service contractors, and a whole bunch of other things to help these people. Then, if you were willing to take on all the risks, clients would sign up, you'd create everything for them, and then after months of hard work, they'd cancel without reason, keeping and benefiting from everything you've built them, while you were left trying to cover your monthly overhead and having to start all over again from scratch. That's why we created Kartra Agency, an add-on to Kartra that allows you to tap into the full power of all the Kartra features, like our multi-million-dollar done-for-you marketing campaigns created by world-class marketers that come complete with copy designs and more. The ability to share your own campaigns from account to account that include opt-in forms, emails, automations, tagging, triggers, and more. Leverage over 500 customizable pages and section templates with drag and drop simplicity so you can get a high converting site up and running in no time for your clients without wasting a dime on coders. World-class email marketing with stunning templates for both desktop and mobile, but now you'll also be able to have full control over your clients. No more worrying about clients making unknown changes, locking you out of your account, or meddling with the process. With Kartra Agency, you can grant account access to clients based on what they need, or you can give no access at all. And with our unique Kartra Agency Analytics dashboard, you'll be able to share their stats with them so they always know the important details that keep them happy. With the Central Agency dashboard, you can quickly get a pulse on every client's analytics at a glance. View their revenue generated, sales and rebills, number of website videos and new leads, all without logging in and out of each individual account. You can also access client accounts directly from here, meaning you never need to go searching for usernames and passwords again. Kartra Agency also gives you full control over account billing, meaning you are the owner of all accounts, allowing you to bundle the costs into your services as well as set up new clients at the click of a button. And if a client decides they no longer need your services, you get to choose what happens to the account. You can keep it, cancel it, or even sell it to a competitor of theirs. And to make it even easier for you to run your agency, you're going to receive exclusive discounts on all new Kartra accounts inside Agency. But that's not all. We understand the power of branding, and that's why we've opened up the platform for you to co-brand alongside Kartra. Now when your clients send emails, they'll also be powered by you. And here's the best thing. With Kartra Agency, you pay nothing out of pocket ever. Here's why. According to WebFX, digital marketing agencies are charging small businesses anywhere from $250,000 to $100,000 per month. SEO agencies are charging $500,000 to $25,000 per month. Email marketing agencies are charging $300,000 to $5,000 per month. Social media marketing agencies are charging $250,000 to $10,000 plus per month. Web design and branding agencies are charging $2,000 to $10,000 plus per month. And the list goes on. Imagine if you just offered one of these services. What would just $1,000 extra a month do for your life? Would it help? Would it pay your car payments or even your student loans? Would it let you work less overtime? What about an extra $2,500 per month? That's a pretty decent mortgage right there. It's college tuition or some overdue medical bills, isn't it? It's a real vacation. And over the course of a year, it's paying off a credit card or 3. It's the start of a journey to becoming debt-free. Now, how about an extra $5,000 per month? That number is getting a little bit ridiculous, isn't it? Well, maybe not. In many cases, all it would take is just one client. I'm guessing you could get that client from your network. But just in case you're living on a deserted island all alone with no friends and no businesses around you, here's what we're going to do for you. When you sign up for Kartra Agency, we're giving you access to a brand new interview series called Agency Success, where you'll get to learn the most up-to-date, in-the-trenches strategies for building your own digital agency. I'll be talking to the owners of advertising agencies, branding agencies, design agencies, copywriting agencies, email marketing agencies, social media agencies, content marketing agencies, and more, getting them to reveal what's working and how they've built and scaled their agencies to huge success. Many of these agency owners charge thousands per hour for their time, but as a Kartra Agency owner, you'll be given behind-the-scenes access to everything that's making them the most money right now, free of charge. Plus, when you upgrade to Agency today, you'll get access to our full-scale, done-for-you agency marketing campaign. I'm talking pages, emails, sequences, automations, trainings, and more, so you'll be able to set up and attract your ideal clients with a click of a button. If you made it this far, you're probably wondering about the cost. If you're being completely honest with yourself, I'd bet you'd say $1,000 or more per month would be totally fair to gain access to the agency platform. And if you act right right now, you'll get a whopping 50% off. You'll get everything. Kartra Agency, the Agency Success Series, the Done For You Agency Marketing Campaign, all for a single payment of just $9.99 per year. But to lock in your discount, you have to act now. Why? Well, I'm actually in a bit of a fight with our amazing and extremely headstrong CTO right now. Hector tells me I'm too much of a nice guy and that we should be charging 10 times the price, and this is just way too cheap. So I'm not sure how much longer this deal will last. Think about it this way. If you're like most people, you'll probably pay for your entire membership several years over from just one client. This is a no-brainer, and that's why you should upgrade today.
Alright, so this is the brand new feature that Kartra has added to the platform. And if you are a Kartra member already, you're probably wondering, am I gonna have to pay extra for the agency or to get access to the agency and be able to use it and set up your own agency? And yes, you will have to pay a little bit extra, but when you think about what this agency can actually provide for you and how much money you're able to earn from having your own agency and getting clients and having those clients pay to you, is absolutely worth it to get access to this. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys today about this brand new feature and this brand new way that Kartra is allowing us to use to make money online or to create an additional stream of income online. So go ahead and check out the link below if you're not a Kartra member yet. I do have a link below where you can learn more about Kartra and get access to Kartra and become a Kartra member, as well as get the agency builder. So that's it for this video. Go ahead and check out the link below. I will also add my bonus page there as well, so you can learn more about the bonuses I'm providing to you if you do join Kartra through the link below my video. Alright, if you have any questions for me, go ahead and comment below this video. And if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you as a tribe member here on YouTube. I provide videos on how to make money online, different tips, strategies, inspiration, and anything that will allow you to achieve your goals faster and to help you create a lifestyle of freedom and fulfillment. Alright, I will see you in the next video.